Om
Swastiastu.
Swastiastu.
Hello everyone. In this video, my friend and I will discuss the impact of COVID-19 on the tourism sector in Bali. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Niputu Yasinovianti from the opposition team. And my friend,
And I am Nimade Putri Widyaningsih from the affirmation team.
let's see the video. So here I am as the opposition team. The COVID-19 pandemic has made many people or communities experience difficulties in the economy in the midst of implementing social restrictions. During this COVID-19 pandemic, many tourism places have been closed, especially as especially tourism in Bali. With the various response among the people, the government also made a new regulation whereby only natives or residents of the city are are allowed to travel. If visitors from outside the city travel, it is feared that it will endanger and in, increase the rate of spread of COVID-19. However, strict supervision is needed for the community to continue to carry out health protocols.
And here, I am the affirmation team. On the other hand, the COVID-19 pandemic also has a direct impact on various jobs in the tourist sector. Around 409,000 workers in the tourist sector have lost their job due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The government has made new regulation and has been followed by the community, and so many regulations have been made. Why has tourists in Indonesia, especially tourists on the island of Bali, not often yet? In fact, COVID-19 has rarely been discussed lately, and even said to have been considered non-existent.
Currently, tourism I'm sorry. Currently, tourism development can be said to be still in box. For example, if a village develops its own tourist attractions, but it is not supported by supporting accessibility.
Here, I agree and believe in the efforts implemented by the government in the issue of reopening tourist places, especially in Bali. B. Developing an effective and efficient strategy so that there is no misunderstanding of the community. If tourists in Bali, in particular, is opened, the public must follow the health protocol that have been implemented in government regulation. It is also for our common good and so that there will be no more spread of COVID-19.
I don't agree if the government gives approval to travel to Bali because the beauty in Bali is starting to be endemic due to the large number of tourists who are not responsible for preserving the environment. And most of the tourists also do not comply with health protocols, such as not wearing masks when traveling. It seems that the health protocol rules are still being ignored by the public or visitors. Especially when especially when the long holidays are quiet, crowded, and this has resulted in an increase in the number of COVID-19 cases.
In this case, I really believe that the government has done everything with the best. And I believe the government has tried its best to open tourist places. For example, because many of the existing communities do not comply with government regulation. And in the end, the government is also blamed for making so many regulations.
There is a police that is allowed to travel to inconsistencies that are deemed inappropriate. That are deemed inappropriate. This is profit even though the government applied for the health protocol to apply. It seems that the health protocol rules are still being ignored by visitors, especially during the long holidays, which can be considered quite crowded, and it has a hard impact on the increase in the number of COVID-19 cases. For this reason, tourists are expected to be more disciplined in increasing awareness about health protocols. If tourists visiting Bali do not comply with the health protocol, it is possible that in some areas they will impose a sanction or punishment for those who violate it.
Well, therefore, we need awareness from each of us. Always comply with the health protocol that have been implemented by the government.
Okay, maybe that's all we can discuss. If there are mistakes in speech in our video, we apologize. That is all, and thank you. Bye bye. Om Santi 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 Om.